recently purchased the Zucro glass water bottles on Amazon specifically to store my green juices and my homemade almond and nut milk and soy milk. So let's unbox this to see exactly what comes in this package. First, it says if you have any broken bottles that they'll replace them for free, so that's a really great deal. These come with a silicone top, which I think is really awesome, as well as stainless steel tops. And these plastic tubes, I don't know what these are. Are these straws? They seem really large. And the reason why I purchased this set of glass jars over the other options is because this one actually comes with a silicone strainer, so I thought that was actually a really great feature because I don't have one of these and getting the juice into those little bottles might be challenging. And this is helpful. It comes with a little sponge that you can do to put in there and to clean it all out, because that's sometimes the hardest part about these bottles is actually cleaning them. Now here's the moment of truth. What do these bottles actually look like? Wow, look at this. This is a gorgeous bottle. These will be great for storing in the refrigerator. I do make a lot of soy milk and nut milks and juices, so this is actually going to be a really great way to store juice. I like how tall they are because I have a lot of height space in my refrigerator, but I don't have a lot of width, and my ball glass jars that I normally use are pretty wide and they're actually taking up too much space. So I think these will fit really nicely in the door of my refrigerator. Here's what the mouth looks like. The cap came off really easily. There's the stainless steel and there's the silicone. I'm gonna put the silicone on to see how that works. Oh, I see. The silicone actually has a hole in the top. Is that a straw? That must be a straw. Oh, very cool. Okay, so you can actually use that as a straw. Nice. Now the final check is, does it actually fit in the dishwasher? And yes, it does. Well, I hope that you found this review helpful. Please be sure to follow me on Amazon for even more kitchen tool reviews and tips and tricks for meal prepping for your family. I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.